one-handed portability, professional power, and exacting precision. Introducing the newest 10-inch portable job site table saw from Bosch. Ideal for remodelers, installers, and general carpenters, the new GTS 1031 table saw combines unprecedented portability with professional performance and durability to create an easy-to-carry tool that's as easy to move as it is to use. The GTS 1031 is a lightweight, compact alternative to larger, heavier saws, but its machined aluminum tabletop and rugged all-steel base are nearly indestructible, and its powerful 4-horsepower, 5,000 RPM motor delivers professional power to handle nearly any application. Because its ergonomic soft grip handle is perfectly balanced for one-handed portability, the GTS 1031 lets you easily take a capable, durable table saw wherever you need it. And when it's time to work, there's no doubting this saw's heritage. The award-winning self-aligning square lock rip pins assures precise, effortless cuts, while its tabletop expands to a category-leading 18-inch rip capacity for everything from rough framing to fillers, trim, flooring, siding, and smaller dimension sheet goods. Engineered for convenience and productivity, the GTS 1031 features the innovative Bosch SmartGuard modular blade guard system that attaches and detaches in seconds. And each tool attachment, including the guard, rip fence, miter gauge, and wrenches, has its very own storage location under the table to protect it during transport and storage. Ready to get to work? The optional tool-free folding stand sets up in seconds and folds flat in an instant. And the saw's ingenious design lets it stand on either side for compact storage and transport. Cut after cut, job after job, year after year, the Bosch GTS 1031 is the ultimate in portable professional performance in a compact, lightweight design you can carry with one hand. Only from Bosch.
Introducing the new DEWALT Jobsite table saw. Featuring a lightweight and compact design, the saw is designed to be easily transported. The saw has a rip capacity of 32.5 inches to the right side of the blade, provided by a patented rack and pinion telescoping rail system, which allows you to cut larger material compared to previous DEWALT table saws without sacrificing portability. The design also provides convenient onboard storage for accessories, making them easily accessible. The modular guard design makes installation of the guarding components quick and easy. DEWALT has also designed a new roll cage frame to withstand tough job site conditions, which demand DEWALT durability. The DEWALT DWE7491RS provides workshop capacity and job site power to meet the user's needs.
Powered to be the heart of our new 10-inch worm drive table saw. And that's how a new legend is born. This is the world's first worm drive table saw. Rip full sheets of plywood in half with a generous 25-inch rip capacity. Slice through 4x with a 3.5-inch depth of cut. Add to that the best-in-class dual-field motor with a smooth start to make this saw run cooler and last longer. We put all of this into a compact table saw frame that goes wherever you go. Plus, this saw comes with our Stay True guarantee. Try it for 180 days. If you're not satisfied, you'll get your money back. No questions asked. This is the next evolution in ripping. When the work stacks up, let it rip. True to the trade since 1924. Stay true. Learn more at skillsaw.com.